Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I don't believe in price control. I don't.
What can we do, sir, to bring down
We just
prices?
continue to supply the market. We work hard to supply the market.
But there are middlemen who are making life unbearable for them.
Well, they will. You see, it's a question of supply and demand. It will come to a stage where you cannot hold no more. It will come to a stage. The economic variables will work against you. Now, let's take, for example, the fuel prices and the petrol pump. I introduced Naira for dollar change. For weeks, they didn't want to comply. They were arguing with me. Okay, leave it to free market. I left it. Now the prices are coming down gradually.
Yes.
Okay.